how to private chat on Roblox. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, you need to search in the search bar a person that you want to chat with, okay? And we're gonna just hit, for example, guy. All right, and here it says guy in people, so I'm gonna just click the guy in people and just simply go to their chats by just going ahead. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna just click this one and I'm gonna just hit message if they allow me to message them. Okay, if you didn't see, or if you saw the message being hidden just like this, that means that this player in their settings has been setting off the sending or receiving messages. So how you can toggle on or let people message you if they wanted to. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, you gotta go ahead to your settings, okay? And what you're gonna do is, after you've gone to your settings, I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna just click right here, the privacy section, okay? And here you will see the communication section. All right, who can message me? Everyone. All right, and who can text chat with me in an app? You can click add friends or no one. All right, inside the game, who can text chat with me? Everyone. That means that anyone who searches by your name, your Roblox name, will be able to chat with you. If you made this no one, all right, who can message me? No one. And who can text me? No one. And who can chat with me? No one. You will see the same settings as this guy we saw earlier right here. If you go back, you will see your profile page. If they search for your name, the messages being hidden just like this. So you will need to set your privacy for everyone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.